So the next employee or worker to get involved is Maria. She works in the pizza topping area. So whenever she has finished his previous work, she will go back in the dough area. And he will have a look at the new dough that have arrived and need to be topped. Then she will come across that particular production order for dough topping. And she will pick up the dough and bring it into the topping area. She will add some cheese and spread the tomato sauce into it. And when she is done, she will bring the finished pizza into the baking area, which will be happens in the next area by Sami. So once she has picked up the dough and add some cheese and tomato sauce into it and brought it in the baking area, she will go to the system and then she will register her work. The registration is quite similar to the way who Daniel does. In fact, it is identical. So let's have a look how she does that.
Hello, I am Maria. Through this video I will show you how I register my work in the system. So after finishing my work on topping the pizza, I will go to the released production order and start doing the same things as Daniel. And once again, because the production report walks through the route, I am now able to identify which production order I will be next working on. So in my case, it will be the pizza margherita. From the released production order, I will enter the production journal and start register my time. And I spend 5 minutes topping the dough. In addition to that, I used a half box of tomato sauce and 250 grams of cheese. And I click post. That's all.
Okay, that's all what Maria has to do. Usually, this registration takes her every time around 1 minute. So this time, I am not going to show you how this impacts the system and data. If you want to look at this, go please back to the previous video and look at how this impacts the item ledger and the capacity entries when Daniel have had registered his time.